For textile technology student, it is important to know weaving production process, and winding is the first department in the weaving. In this lecture, I introduce you about a winding process. I welcome you all in my weaving lecture series. I am Arshal Ramteki, working as head of the department in textile technology in Sasmiraj Institute of Man-Made Textile. For better understanding, we divide this topic into small parts, and today we are going to learn objectives of winding. So let's learn first objective, which is to convert small yarn content packages like a ring bobbin to large yarn content packages like cone or cheese. And while doing this, we get long continuous length of yarn. Many ring bobbin packages are required to get one cone or cheese. Spun yarns are made on a large spinning machines called ring frame, and the yarn get wound onto the ring bobbin, which contain around 150 to 200 grams of yarn, whereas corner cheese packages are made on winding machines, which contain around 2 to 5 kg of continuous long length yarn. Now let us learn second objective, which is to remove objectionable yarn fault. Objectionable yarn faults are those faults which occurs due to drafting irregularities in a ring frame, immature fibers, or bad fixing operation. It causes yarn breakage in the subsequent process. It affects quality and appearance of yarn. Hence, it have to remove. Spun yarn cannot be produced with uniform constant diameter. Hence, these faults are also called as imperfections, and they are thick places, thin places, and naps. Thick places are those places in the yarn which are 50% more diameter than the usual diameter of the yarn, and these faults are having a length also. Second one, that is thin places, are those places which have 50% less diameter than the usual diameter of the yarn, and naps are the entangled mass of fiber at one place. It is having 200 times more diameter than the usual diameter of the yarn. Thick places and the naps hampers the appearance of yarn, as well as due to thin places, yarn may get break. First two objectives are related to newly formed spun yarn. This kind of winding is mainly done in spinning mills. Hence, winding is the last department in the spinning mill, and the packages are formed for transportation and storage. Now, let us learn third objective, which is to transfer yarn or thread from one type of package to another type of package suitable for specific end use. The process is called as rewinding. It is an important process in fabric manufacturing, and hence it is the first department in weaving unit. So let us see different purposes or applications of rewinding process. First one, cone or cheese dyeing packages are wound with low tensions. They are soft and oven wound packages. Yarn wound on steel mesh bobbin or perforated plastic bobbin. After dyeing, it again rewind to form a suitable packages for weaving or knitting process. Second one, hank are formed from the cone or cheese packages. Yarn is dyed in a hank form and again rewound to suitable packages. Third purpose, to form knitting cone packages with specific cone angle and traverse for easy top way unwinding. The fourth purpose, in case of shuttleless weaving, large web packages are formed which weighs up to 5 kg. Its purpose is also to get easy top way unwinding. In case of shuttle loom, yarn from cone or cheese packages are wound on small packages called pern. Here the department is called pern winding department. The fifth purpose, the packages for transportations and storage are hard packages and have more yarn content. Sixth purpose, for a synthetic filament yarn or for twisting and folding process, yarns are wound on double flange bobbin. Seventh purpose, if we are using old yarn which are stored in the storage department from a long time, it may have there dirt or foreign matter. Hence, to clean it, rewinding is done. Fourth objective, which is to apply finishes or dye during winding. In case of synthetic yarn, we do waxing or apply anti-static agent or spin finish to the yarn. Static charge develop due to the friction when synthetic yarn pass over the metallic surface, which create a problem in a subsequent process. Hence, we apply a spin finish to the yarn through stuffer box or waxing box on the winding machine. In certain cases, this stuffer box used for single yarn dyeing. Spun yarns have hairiness. It may create a problem in further process or create uncomfort in the final product. Hence, it have to remove during a winding process through singeing operation. Here, yarn pass through fire flame at a high speed. Protruding fibers are burned out and this fall get removed.